Now we're going to practice what we learned about syllable separations and accents. Listen to the following sentence. ¿Cómo está, señor González? ¿Cómo? It's an interrogative word. Está has a written accent because it ends in an A. González, same thing. It has an accent because it ends in a Z. One second syllable to last. But then señor doesn't have an accent, a written accent, because it ends in an R. Now let's see what happened with la capital de Colombia es Bogotá. Colombia. You hear the accent is here. Colombia, but no accent because this is an A. Versus Bogotá. First syllable from last, and it ends in an A. Como has an accent because it's an interrogative word. See? And Venezuela doesn't have an accent because it ends in an A. Now, can you help me to put accents or not on the following words? Listen. Salamanca. Do we put an accent? No, because it ends in an A. Haití. Yes, we put an accent because it's a vowel and it's in the last syllable. The word America. Did you hear where is the stress? Yes, it's in the first, second, third to last syllable. And we said that all words that have the stress in the third to last have an accent. Mexico. 3 syllables. Yes. Asunción. It does have a written mark because it ends in an N. San Juan. It does not have an accent in any of its components because it's one syllable words. San Juan. Berlin. Yes, it has an accent because it ends in N. Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires. It doesn't have an accent because it ends in S. And Aires, same thing, it ends in an S. Europa, it ends in an A, so it doesn't have an accent. Now help me with this. We're going to put more accents in some sentences. Creo que tu hermano habla más que tú. ¿Qué problema? Creo que tu hermano habla. Oh, we were talking about these words like más. Is it quantity or is it a conjunction? We're talking about quantity, más. Más que tú. Does it have an accent? Yes, because it's a pronoun and it's replacing the word you. Oh, there is something special here. ¿Qué problema? Yes, you do mark an accent because if you have exclamation sounds, you're going to need to express the accent right here. El abuelo dice que de niño él se divertía más que nosotros ahora. We talk about the word de. If it's a verb and it's from the word dar, it has an accent. But if it's only a preposition, it doesn't have an accent. Divertía, I mark an accent because this is what we called before the hiato. E, it's a closed vowel. And A, it's an open vowel. So when you have a closed vowel and an open vowel, you're going to need an accent. Otherwise, this will be pronounced divertia or something else that doesn't exist. And now we have the word más. We're going to need an accent because it's the adverb of quantity. Another one. No quiero estar más con él, más él quiere estar conmigo. No sé qué hacer. I'm going to underline más and más. One is the adverb of quantity and the other one is a conjunction. I put an accent here because I'm expressing quantity, and this is just a conjunction. That means pero in Spanish or but in English. No quiero estar más con él. This is replacing the pronoun Juan or Pedro. Mas él quiere estar conmigo. It also has an accent because it means that Juan wants to be with me. No sé qué hacer. In this case, sé comes from saber. Yo sé, and it has an accent. Mi vida sí mejorará si tengo fe en mí mismo. Sí means yes, and sí, in this case, it's a condition, so it doesn't have an accent.